This one is the issue for CH230 gas leak error. This one should be removed. Disable this one first because we have detected strong smell of perfume. This one orange color, and that socket is came from this purple color socket. We will disable this one first and change the thermostat settings from 2901 settings. We will change the settings to 2900 on the thermostat settings so that we can remove the CH230 error. This one, CH230 error. We will long press this one so that we can debug the program. We will go to 2901. 2901. That one we will change to 2900. That one we will press OK and then escape, and then we will reset. We will reset the system. Now the system back to normal. Now back to normal.